Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We just did our little arena battle. And we could go again, but I don't think so. I'm not a fan of arena battles. So what else is oh, we're offline because we're in a rift or whatever they call those things. So there's no map here. What is that? Someone smashed a TV screen? I don't know what that is. These guys played a video game. That's pretty funny. I guess that's the way out. Alright, well, let's just kind of explore here a little bit. I don't think there's much happening here. Right? Okay, so there's no real interactions here, it doesn't look like, other than the battle arena. And what's the deal with that? Prove your worthiness. 2 of 5? What is 2 of 5? I thought I already... yeah, that looks like a lot of work. I'm just not into it, sorry. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get back to the map so we can see what's going on.
You've gotten a little quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a dimensionator.
I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't going to be easy.
Yes, but phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in the universe. Right.
Let's see how much money I got. How many bolts I got? Ooh, holy crap, I got a bunch, I guess, from fighting those. Holy crap, that's one way to get some money, isn't it? Looks like I got some more stuff, too. What did I get? Robot pirate. Damage from pirates reduced by 5%. Where did I get that from? I guess from beating up on those guys, huh? Okay. Cool. Collectibles. Oh, a bot. We haven't found, or did we get that? Nefarious City. We didn't get the bot here. That's what the other thing that's on the map. I was trying to figure out what it was. There's 2 bots here somewhere. Guess there's a bot. No, that's the bolt. So where the hell are the bots at? Defeat the pirates. Bronze cup optional. Okay, we don't need to do any cup hunting. Scarstu debris field. So there, oh, the armor sets must all come from the arena. Now I don't know about the bot. Let's see, where would the bot be at in here? What's this? This is our ship, huh? That's our ship. Raritanium, the vendor's up here. Let's go see her real quick.
Wanna make your enemies go grab the lightning rod.
Interesting how I have just enough money to buy that, huh? Let's look at a preview.
Say, is that thunder I hear? Rain? No, it's the lightning rod. Finish them to send the lightning toward their troublesome teammates. Upgrade the lightning rod to charge up an even greater, more horrific storm of pain.
That looks pretty cool. We'll work on that one.
Ever dreamed of tunneling straight to your enemies? Make the dream a reality with the Drill Hound.
Okay, let's see what that does.
Who's so cute? The Drill Hound.
That's huge.
Our finest breed of weapon. Pull the fire trigger halfway to lock this burrowing or durable rocket launcher onto your filthy target. Pull it fully to launch. Upgrade to lock onto even more targets.
That's a rocket launcher. Okay, that's an interesting rocket launcher. Alright, so the drill hound we can't buy, which that's okay. The lightning
Go
rod we
ahead,
can.
Shug.
No, we're not
It
going
is
to.
a great deal.
Not just yet. Let's look at our upgrade paths here. I want to upgrade the ricochet. Can I do that yet? I can. We're at level 2. Okay, that's what we want to do. Let's do this. What do we want to do now? I have 21 points. What's this up here? Timing window. Can I do all of these first? What about everything's a timing window? We've got this already. Increase max ammo. Man, what do these do? Each bounce knocks additional bolts out of each enemy. Okay. So we can go all around this maybe.
You already made that
Oh,
upgrade.
sorry dear.
Silly.
Sorry. So this will give us the gold bolts. Okay.
Oh my stars! That is a good one.
Gold cells unlocked. But I don't know if I have to purchase those separately. It doesn't really do anything. I can't interact with it. Okay. It doesn't look like I can. I guess I got to get to the next level before I can upgrade. I don't know, maybe I can't even upgrade the ammo anymore. Let's grab this one too. So we're upgraded again. I like that weapon. That's a pretty cool weapon. What else we got? Shatter
That
bomb.
bad boy.
The Enforcer. What do we got here? Shots go farther. Increase area of effect. Crate ammo. What is this? Increase max ammo. We're always going to increase max ammo because they seem to run out of ammo a lot. And we might as well do this because what do these do? Shots pierce anything in their path. Okay, let's do this.
You unlocked it, sugar.
I just don't know what those do. Maybe that comes into play later on down the road. I don't know. Area of effect, area of effect. What's up here? Shots go farther. Let's take one of those. Maybe get the last area of effect here. Well, we got two of them here, right? Okay. That's the Enforcer. What about
Gotta
my
blast some more baddies before
Shatter
we can upgrade
bomb?
that one.
Topiary Sprinkler? Let's see what we got for this here. We've got Topiary enemies take additional damage. What about this? Increase initial splash radius. Sure. Do that a couple times. And then what about this one? Increase sprinkler lifetime. Deploys a sprinkler that stuns enemies and turns them into topiaries. Okay, I already got that. Our lifetime's a little longer here. We can do this when stats last longer. Additional damage. Okay, well, let's go with that. We got 5 left. What else do we want to... The blast pistol, I think. We got some more we can do with this. Like, this seems to be like the weapon they want you to use. What do we got here? Shots travel faster. This is accurate rate. Can we increase ammo count again? Increase max ammo? Sure, let's do that. What's this? Rapid fire shots. Increase ammo max. And what do these do? Shots travel farther. What did this do? It's to the head do bonus damage. Okay. When in accuracy mode. Increase maximum ammo. Yeah, I guess this is the weapon they want you to use. Oh, I should have. Increase max ammo. What's down here? What's this? Get on my way. Dude, that was weird. Tighten spread for more precise shots. Okay. We're good.
Sorry, no open sales here.
Yeah.
You will be missed, sweet thing.
Let's check our inventory again. My ammo's full, everything. We still have 8,000 because we didn't spend any money. We didn't buy the lightning rod. We're going to hold out for maybe something else. Let's just see what happens. Alright, so We gotta find the little robot, but I mean, I don't know where the robot's at, unless he's all the way at the end of the...
Hey there, Rivet. If you're hearing this and can spare a moment or two, Trudy sure could use your help on Sargasso.
Trudy?
She's a friend. Probably has nothing to do with saving the dimension, but Mort wouldn't ask if it wasn't important.
Oh, side quest. We should go do a side quest. Let's see, I was thinking that... Where's the spot? Right maybe down here. That's by our ship. We're not going yet. Okay. That must be the landing path there. Yeah, I don't know where all this stuff is. I mean, I see the bolt. But we covered all that. Wait a minute, there's another. I didn't see that over there. Raritanium. Over there by the rift. Or whatever they calling those things again. I keep forgetting what they're calling them. There seems to be Raritanium over here somewhere. I thought I got this already.
Mort's limeade recipe's slowly coming along.
There we go. We got 3 out of that. Nice. And I can't go down there apparently. Because I died trying to go down there. And there really is nothing down there. There's no path down there. Yeah, there's no path down there, so that's why you can't go down there, I guess. Yeah, that's just... I have no idea how you get that gold bolt that's underneath. What's that? And there's radar up there. That's kind of cool.
Been a while since I was on shore. Time for a little...
Okay, so we got nothing else here. Might as well go back to do a side quest, huh? More bolts? We can always use more bolts. What's this over here? That looks like a way down. Okay, this is interesting. I'm glad I got it. There's the bolt. But I can't... Huh. Can I get to that from here? Everything's upside down. Where am I at? Got lost already. Got turned around here. Okay, the bolt's over there. Oh, where was it? I just saw it. I got turned around. Damn it. Where was it? What the hell? And that goes back up. Well, because we're upside down here. Where the hell was that bolt? It was right there somewhere. The gold bolt. See, I can't really get off of this. I'm going to die if I get off of this, which is pretty strange. Yeah, that didn't do anything. Where'd the bolt go? It was right there. Like I said, I got turned around because I'm upside down. Okay, that is like way bizarre. That's way bizarre. Alright, let's go back up above again. I don't see any more other magnet little things like this that we can walk on. Oh wait, there's one there. Oh, there's the bolt. And I can walk There's a magnet wall right there. Okay. But the thing is, I'd have to get from this to that. How does that work? It looks like there's a way to... See, it's got a magnet wall there. It has a magnet wall, but it doesn't look like there's any way to get down to it. I have to get to it from here. And there's no way to do that, really. Because I can't jump, can I? I can, but I can't jump very high. Oh, wait a minute. What was that? Okay, that is something, but I don't know what to do with it. Interesting. So something I have to learn, I guess, because I don't know what that is. I mean, it looks like I can get over there from here, but I don't know what I have to do that. My L1 doesn't work. Huh. Uh-oh, I did something. What the hell did I do?
Yes, well done.
Well done? I don't know what I did. It has something to do with this thing here. Now, how do I get back to where I was? I was over there. I have no idea what I did. I did something. I jumped. I'm in the upside down over here, man. Huh. I suppose I could just commit Harry-Carry, but I want to know what I did. It has something to do with this. Something to do with this. I have no idea how I traveled over here. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to have to commit Harry-Carry because I can't get out of here. Wait a minute, what's that? Huh. I bet you it's something that I already learned too. Let's see. Gadgets. Omniglove, glide boots, grind boots, magnet boots. 0 to mag launch. Well, 0 to mag launch. A cutting boot mod that allows users to walk on magnetic surfaces. So I can mag launch over there. Oh, baby. Okay, this is crazy though, because I'm getting dizzy just trying to do this. So that's a new thing that I must have hit that button just accidentally. Oh, well, that's pretty cool. Learned something new. Where's my ship? Alright, let's go back to see the Morts. And we'll go see what Trudy needs. Oh, newsflash.
Hello, Dimension. I know I've been away for you know how long. So, I thought we should catch up. What have I been up to? Oh, just speaking with my adoring fans. Enjoying my lovely scenery. And finding out that there are two insolent lumbaxes running around trying to ruin everything.
One with a wrench and one with a hammer.
I'm offering a bounty of 3 squillion nefarious freedom coupons to anyone who can bring me those fuzzy miscreants,
Freedom
dead
coupons.
or alive. But preferably alive, so I can have some fun with them first. My elaborate spy network indicates that they'll be at Blizzard and Savali very soon. So, get to it! And if those lumbaxes are listening, just know that I'm going to crush you into dust. And then I'll blast that dust into a sun, and then I'll dump that sun into...
Great. Now I'm on 2 nefarious hit lists.
And he knows where we are going. Oh, dear.
Alright, we want to go to... Oh, we have 2 new planets to go to. As
Phase courts, here we come.
Oh, we have this one, find the Dimensionator blueprint. So we got to do 2 things. Well, let's go do this little side quest for these guys.
I haven't forgotten about you, Trudy.
Let's go do Trudy.
Works for me.
Let's go do Trudy. Get spit out. Alright, so where's Trudy? Use R3 to review your active objectives. Talk to Mort about Trudy. Where's Mort? Oh, there's Trudy. There's Mort.
What's the matter with Trudy?
Oh, hey there, Ribbit. Oh, she's just hungry for Zerpstones. Normally she nabs them from those rock islands up there, but I guess she's too tired to fly today.
Aw, up late partying again? Don't worry, I'll grab him.
Oh, you're a peach. We'll be waiting right here when you get back. Ribbit will
Zerpstones,
be back
huh?
with those big, juicy Zerpstones anytime now.
Okay, so how do I get Zerpstones? Just like this, I guess, huh? Collect Zerpstones.
A Zerpstone! This is just what Trudy needs.
How many do I have to collect? 15, huh? I guess that's the way to go. This looks like a new area, huh? I wasn't here before. And then there's, what's with these rings? That looks like a little thing to trial and error thingy there, eh? Alright, let's get down here, I guess. Surfstones. That says 7 of 15. Okay, there's creepy crawlies in the water over here, isn't there? Oh no, that's that guy's. Okay, so I guess I have to get a little Uber snail. can't quite... So I can go over there, I guess, huh? Okay. Alright, dude, let's go.
Uh-oh. Lost our ride.
There must be a speedle nest nearby.
Yeah, let's look around.
A speedle nest, but are those bad guys up there? The little bugs flying around? I can't tell. Let's grab this stuff first. Okay, we can go that way, I guess. There's a speedle nest. Oh, that's the only reason we can get up here, was just because of the speedle nest? Alright, so we can get over there, I guess. Or, let me see, is there a speedle nest over there? No, I can jump from there to there. Is there a speedle nest over there? Let's see. Oh, this is a whole new area that I'm not even, it's not even on the map hardly, is it? Let's see, there's probably an order to do this in, because I don't see a speedle nest unless I can ride through that and then come back. Alright, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Alright, dude, let's see what happens. Crap. Really? He died running into that thing. You ain't getting away, dude. Come on back. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, let's go this way then. We don't have to go that way. We can go this way. Ah.
You did it, Rivet! That should be more than enough Zerpstones to get Trudy here chirping again.
So I've got all the
Head on
Zerpstones.
back to the Gelatonium factory so we can thank you in person.
Let's go collect all the Zerpstones. Right? I want to get them all. Missed it. Make sure I got them all. They're here for a reason. Kind of drills down into the deck here. Okay. Alright, so bring the Zerpstones to
I'm carrying a
Mort.
bunch of Zerpstones. Might be worth...
Trudy, look! Rivet brought you some Zerpstones! You know, if you ever wanted to grab some more, I'd consider trading those ranger boots behind me for them. I'll mark your map with all the Zerpstones in the area. Just in
Okay.
case you're interested.
I knew.
If we wish to look now, I bet this speedle would prove quite useful.
Zerpstones. How many do we need? Collect Zerpstones to exchange for ranger boots. So there's like Zerpstones everywhere, eh? These are Zerpstones. Holy crap. But it doesn't say how many he wants, does it? So that's kind of open-ended.
And there, Trudy, don't you worry. We'll get you so many Zerpstones, we might have to start calling you Zerpy.
Alright, well, let's go get some Zerpstones. Looks like there was some behind us over here. What's this? Warp to crash site. What crash site?
Ah, memories.
I am glad you trust me more now than you did back then.
So am I.
indigenous threats incoming. Looked rather painful.
I'm gonna die. It's a lot of frogs.
Multiple indigenous threats incoming.
Uh-oh. What is that thing? Oh, that's the sprinkler. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm not going to survive this again. Alright, let's get out of here. Where's my bomb? Nope. Shatter bomb. Put that right here. Is there health here anywhere? Doesn't look like it. I need health now. I'm half dead. Got attacked by frogs. Where am I? Ah, over here. That is where the transporter is. I see. Is there more frogs over here? Oh, there's 30 Zerp stones, and I've got 24. Give me some health. I guess I just gotta get out of here. Okay, we can't go. Well, we could go that way, I guess. That's how we got here. I see. Okay, I'm catching on. Oh, there's some more. Raritarium. Take that. Uh-oh. I guess we can go this way. There might be some health over here. Actually, there's a vendor over here, right? Yeah, we can get our health filled up over here. This'll work.
Take your time, sweetie.
Alright, we'll take some health. Here we go.
Make sure to tell your
And ammo is full too, huh? Alright, so... Oh, there was health up there too. Alright, we gotta put... Alright, what do we got here? We have the shatter bomb, the sprinkler, the ricochet. I need to put shatter bomb. Let's put that down here, and then we're going to put the mushroom back here for now. Okay, that works. Okay, and there's more. Let's put the ricochet back on for now so I can get some more toads. I don't know what that was. She didn't like it though. Here's some more Zerp. I have 25 of 30. Okay, so there's 30 to collect. There's still more here. Is there some up here? Man, I zapped all those frogs. Let's get all their bolts. Alright, let's see if there's a more Zerpstone up here somewhere. Uh-oh. This is good, though. Okay. Any more? No. Health, thank you. I thought I saw a Zerpstone up here. There is one. Those are Zerpstones. There's still two of them here somewhere. In there. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, that's the rift. That takes us to here. There's a new area here. Okay. Wait a minute. That's not a Zerpstone. Tricky stuff, isn't it? There's some right here, it says somewhere. But I'd have to go get a Speedle, I guess, to get some of these, because I don't see it anywhere here. I don't know. Okay, there's some more health. Oh, here's some. How did I miss this? Which one was that one? Okay, that was that one. There's two more down here somewhere. Alright, I guess the only way to get a Speedle right here. Alright, let's jump on this guy, see where it takes us. Where are we? We're out in the middle of nowhere here. Oh man, that dropped me all the way back here. Where was that over there? That was this area. I wonder why I can't find any Zerf stones right here. There seems to be some right here somewhere. Oh, maybe up on the cliff again? Anyway, let's call it a video right here by the vendor. And we'll be back in a flash. If you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.